Hey, welcome back to day 7. Let's talk about resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks and adapt to change. In your career, resilience is one of the most critical qualities you can develop. It's what helps you overcome obstacles, stay focused during tough times, and keep moving forward even when things don't go as planned. And why is resilience so important? No career path is without its challenges, right? And that's why there will be setbacks. Whether it is a project that didn't go well, missing out promotion, or even losing a job. How you respond to those setbacks is what defines your long term success. Resilience isn't about avoiding failures, it's about learning from it and coming back stronger. Building resilience starts with a mindset. It is about seeing challenges as opportunities to learn rather than reasons to give up. It also helps to have a strong support system, whether it's friends, family, or mentors who can provide encouragement when you need it most. So, today's action step, think about a recent challenge you faced at work. What did you learn from it? How you can apply that lessons moving forward. The next time you face a setbacks, remind yourself that it is a stepping stone, not a roadblock. So today's takeaway, developing resilience allows you to turn challenges into opportunities and keeps you on track toward your goals, no matter what comes on your way. So let us recap this week's learnings. In this week, we learned about understanding your career values, setting clear career goals, identifying your strengths, importance of lifelong learning, building a professional network, power of coaching, and developing resilience. Please hit the subscribe button for more career insights, and I will see you in the next video. Happy learning and bye for now.